Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a retro film-like video with the light click transition on CapCut apps. So just prepare the clips, then first click the transition box to add the light click, find light effect, and then choose the glare to transition. Okay, this one. You can adjust it to your liking. The duration, I'm going to go with 0.8 seconds. Click on a check icon. Now on the second clip, add the retro effect. So go to the video effect, click on the retro category, then here scroll down until you find the film frame effect. Click on a check icon and you are done. So this will be the final result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.